Hi, my name is Tammy. I had a tummy tuck at Music City. It had been on my mind for a long time. I'd had a surgery prior to that in 2008 that left me with kind of a nasty scar. And I had 2 children after that. He just gave me my confidence back. He done such a wonderful job. I'm so happy. The consultation process I did with Dr. Burgdorf's nurse practitioner. It was very easy, very quick, very painless. They gave me a book that he had written that walked me through the entire procedure and what I could expect and what was expected of me also. Dr. Burgdorf's staff was amazing. They are very helpful and they're there to answer any questions, even if you get a little nervous along the way and you don't know what to expect, they're there to support you. Before I had my tummy tuck, I was very self-conscious and I couldn't relax in my own skin. I really kind of limited myself. I limited myself in my dress, I limited myself in how I acted and where I went and what I did, and now I don't have any of those limitations. I have a lot of freedom. I'm a lot more athletic now. I paddleboard, I get out and do lots and lots of things. He's given me a lot of freedom back. What would I say to somebody else that wanted to do this? Don't let anything hold you back.